This question is about how can you sort an array, which is of arrays category. There will be 4 relative questions to this topic. Sorting an array is a very common task in all programs. One may expect the arrangement of values in ascending or descending order. Sort is the method used to sort elements. Let's check a code sample. Here I have an array where I have written banana, orange, grapes and apple. Now what I want to do is I want to sort the array. So I'll say sorted array, let SARR is equal to products.sort. Sort is the method. Now let's display both SARR and products. And let's see what happens. So here sort method returns sorted array, but at the same time it sorts the array itself. That means, which you can see that both SARR and products are sorted. So as such, there is no meaning of the returned array, which is anyway is not a new copy. It actually is the reference of products array. So both SARR and products, they are the same thing. So we better use only the products.sort. That also solves the purpose because anyway it's not returning a new array. In case if you want to sort in descending order, then there is a different way. In fact, there is a callback function passed to the sort method which we refer to as compare function. This compare function has 2 parameters between which the comparison happens. Let's check the code with this compare function. I will say the function here, there will be 2 parameters A and B. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to display the value of A and B here. You can name whatever you want to, but there is always 2 parameters passed to this callback function, and this function we call as compare function. We have not given any name to this function, so it's a kind of anonymous function we are using. So now let's see the output. As you see that orange banana is the first output, grapes orange, apple grapes. So A and B does have different values passed to it, and internally it sorts the data. We do not need to get into that part what it does internally, but it must be going through a shortest method to sort the data. So we have 2 values and it compares and then it returns the sorted array. That's how the sort method works. Now this compare function can return 3 types of values. Less than 0, that is -1, more than 0, that is 1, or 0 itself. For example, if compare function returns -1, that means sort will arrange A before B, or in other words, A comes first and then the second value will be B. Let's check this with a practical example. I will say if A less than B, then I will return -1. This means if the value of A, right, there is a Unicode code point comparison is happening here. So you don't need to worry about how the string is compared. String is also compared with greater than and less than sign because internally it has the Unicode code point values, that those are checked. So here I say return -1. That means if A is less than B, that means if banana is less than orange, then A will be first value to be placed and B will be the second value. Similarly, it will compare orange and grapes, grapes and apple, and so on. So here, if I run this, it does say that it has to be in ascending order. Now, in case if A is greater than B, that is if A is greater than B, then you return 1. This means when you return 1, B comes first and then A. And if you say if A is equal to B, that means they both are equal, then do not change the place. Let A and B remain unchanged. Now we have kind of ascending order code here. Let's run this code again and see what is the output. It still says that the array is sorted in ascending order. Imagine that you want to sort this array in descending order. What will you do? You will say that when A is less than B, return 1. That means let B come first. That is, let the greater value come first, right? In case of the second, that is A greater than B, again I am going to do the reverse, right? And of course for equality it will be 0. Now let's run the code and see what is the output. You see this? It is sorted in a descending order. So by default, when you want to sort the array in ascending order, you simply say sort, that's it. But the moment you want the array to be sorted in descending order, you will use the compare function, which is a callback function of sort method. Not only this, imagine that instead of this string, we have a numeric array. Let's say I have 45, 23, 10, 89 and 5 different values we have here. I'll just keep this code at the moment but comment it, and then I'll say console.log products.sort. We want to sort the array. Let me change the name to price, not products but price. Okay, I'm saving this now, and the last statement I have console log, that also I'll remove. Now here is the code we have. We have the price array and we are sorting it. Now when you run this, the sorting is done, but you see 5 is not actually sorted properly. It should have been at the first place. The reason is, if you try to sort a numeric array with only sort method, then it is going to consider the Unicode string value if there is no compare function given. And because all elements are treated as string, so the output will not be as desired. So this is not sorting as numeric values. Instead, it is sorted as a string. So now we are going to give the function, that is the compare function, and we will try it again. So I'll just remove this from this place, this line. I'll say price.sort. I want to sort the values in, of course, ascending order. So I'll say when A is less than B, let A be the first. Otherwise, if it is greater, let B be the second, that is A be the first. And if A is equal to B, then it's okay, return 0. And at the end, we'll simply display the array. The array name is price. So now we have this array sorting with numeric. Let's try to run. Now you see, this is showing the numeric sorting. In case if you want to sort this array in reverse order, right, in descending order, then you can use -1 here. You can use positive, that is more than 0, that is 1 here, and 0 will remain as it is. So now you will have the sorting in descending, but this is the numeric sorting. So compare function is needed when you want to sort a numeric array. Now let's discuss relative questions of this topic. The first question is, what will be the output in case an array has undefined while sorting the values? So let's say this array has undefined value in between. What will happen in this case? Undefined is always placed at the end of the array. So if I simply say console log products.sort, that's it. Let's run this and see what happens. You see, undefined comes at the end. So undefined value is never sorted. Sort method places or shifts all the undefineds at the end, and then it does the sorting for rest of the array. Now the second question is, how will you sort an object literal? So here is the object literal. Now the next thing is, we need to sort. We are going to use compare function because this is not a normal value, right? And anyway, we have to sort the numeric value, salary. Now every time the sort method goes through, it is going to pass the first object literal to A and this second object literal to B. So every time both A and B will have different object literals itself. So the only thing you have to take care about is you put the if condition, you say A dot salary. If it is less than B dot salary, let's say we want to sort right now in ascending order. So the same thing you are going to write. You'll say return -1. If A dot salary is more than B dot salary, what you want to do? You want to return 1. And if they are equal, A dot salary equals to B dot salary, then you are going to return 0. Now this object literal, when this is sorted, it is going to sort the entire object itself. It won't happen that only the salary field will be sorted and this will be changed. That is for employee number 1001, there might be this salary. It won't happen because both A and B are having the object literal itself. So when this thing is sorted, the entire object is sorted. Let's try this and see what happens. Let's try to display the employees array. You see this? 1002 is 2200. In the data also we have 1002 2200. So this is how you can sort a field of an object literal. Third question is, how will you sort a numeric array? So we have already seen this, that when it comes to sorting a numeric array, you have to make sure that you give the compare function. Otherwise it will be sorted as a string. And the fourth question is, sort all values of array in descending order. So again, you will have to use the compare function, and in case of returning the value, wherever you return -1, instead of that you say return 1, and where you are returning 1, just say returning -1, and that's how you sort the array in descending order.